Hello, my dear children. Today we'll be dealing with the last few exercises of our fourth lesson, Said by a Dolphin. And for that, I want everyone to open your textbook to page number 35. Page number 35. And we'll find the section Word Power. Word Power. To page number 35. And in this section, we have few exercises to do. So let's finish it. Shall we start? Okay. Read these sentences and you'll find two sentences over there. Let's read it. Orion overheard the captain and the sailors plotting to kill him. I'll read it once again. Orion overheard the captain and the sailors plotting to kill him. So here, look at the word overheard. So keep the word overheard in your mind. And let's look at the next sentence. He told the king about the adventures he had undergone. He told the king about the adventures he had undergone. So when we looked at the lesson, we already have gone through these two words. Yes or no? Overheard means he heard something, and undergone means he suffered under some circumstances. Yes or no? So let's look at these words. These words come under something. Let's look at that. Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. So let's look at the example and then I'll understand it more. Example, the first one is undergone, and it's under plus gone. So here we have added two words, and that's how we made a new word. Yes or no? Under plus gone. So under is the prefix. The prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word. So here we have added to the word gone. So under is the prefix. So we have added prefix to the word gone and we have made a new word, and that is undergone. Let's look at the next example. Overheard. So we have added the prefix over to the word heard and we made a new word overheard. Did you understand? Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word. We added to the beginning of a word. And so that's how we make a new word. So look at the examples once again. Undergone. Under is the prefix. And we made a new word undergone. The next one, overheard. Over is the prefix. We added to the word heard and we made a new word overheard. So prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. So these words, that is over and under, are prefixes. So what happens is when you add prefixes, the word becomes a new word. It gives more meaning. Now we have an exercise that is in page number 35 itself. Exercise A, match the words to the meanings. So let's look at the exercise. Exercise A, match the words to their meanings. And please grab a pencil fast and we'll be finding the answers for this. On the left side, that is in column A, we have 5 questions. The first one is undercar. Next one is overnight. Third one is underground. Fourth one is overhead. And the fifth one is underestimate. So these are the words which have prefixes. The first one, the word undercar, it's under is the prefix. Overnight, over is the prefix. Underground, under is the prefix. Overhead, over is the prefix, and underestimate, under is the prefix. So these words have meanings on the right side, and we have to match the meanings of these words. Let's look at column B. And the first one, A is below the surface of water. B, above the level of one's head. C, fail to judge someone's strength or intelligence. D, during one night. And E, a secret. So these are the meanings, and we have to match the words. First one, undercover. What might be the meaning of the word undercover? Undercover means something which is in secret. So E is the answer, secret. E is the answer. So write the number. Undercover, E is the answer. Second one, overnight. Just look at the answers given. It's very easy to find. Overnight. Yes, D is the answer. During one night. Overnight. Overnight, during one night. D is the answer. You can write there number 2. The third one is underground. Underground. This word everyone is familiar with. Yes or no? So, what is the meaning of underground? A is the answer. Very good. Below the surface of water. Below the surface of water. You can write there number 3. The meaning of underground is, you know what ground is, yes or no? Underground means something beneath the ground. Yes or no? So, that's how you found the answer. Yes or no? So, the meaning of underground is below the surface of water. You can write number 3 over there. And the fourth one is overhead. Overhead. Just look at the column B, and can you say the answer for this? Very good. Above the level of one's head. Above the level of one's head. 4 is the answer. B is the answer for the fourth question. The meaning of overhead is above the level of one's head. And look at the fifth one, underestimate. Underestimate. The meaning of underestimate is, obviously it's C. Yes or no? Fail to judge someone's strength or intelligence. The meaning of underestimate is fail to judge someone's strength or intelligence. Shall I give you an example for this word underestimate? You might be familiar with other things, but underestimate is a difficult word, yes or no? For example, in your class you have a boy or a girl, okay, and on the first day of your school, you saw him or her, and she was like, she wear big glasses, okay, spects, and she was like, his or her hair was not tied so properly. So when you looked at him or her, you thought that, oh, that boy or that girl is not so good. I think he or she doesn't study well. Okay, just by looking at him or her, you just thought in your mind. But what happens is, after a few days, your teacher conducts an exam, and this particular boy or girl gets the high score. Okay, she gets the highest marks for the exam, and you were astonished, or you were surprised to find out that that particular boy or girl got these marks. So what you did was, you underestimated that boy or girl by looking at her on the first day. So that is the meaning of underestimate. That is, you fail to judge someone's strength or intelligence. It can be on strength or it can be on intelligence. Did you finish, children? Okay, the first one is the meaning of undercover is secret. The meaning of overnight is during one night. The meaning of underground is below the surface of water. The meaning of overhead is above the level of one's head. And the meaning of underestimate is fail to judge someone's strength or intelligence. Let's go to the next section, exercise B. Use appropriate words from column A in the above exercise to complete the sentences. I'll once again read the heading. Use appropriate words from column A in the above exercise to complete the sentences. Okay, in exercise A, we found the meanings for these words, yes or no? So these words you have to use in exercise B. Did you understand? You have to use the words of exercise A to complete the sentences of exercise B. Okay, now you have the words undercover, overnight, underground, overhead and underestimate. These 5 words you have to use in exercise B. Let's look at the first question. Just we'll read all the questions. Okay, then we'll go to the answers. The first question is, the new apartment blocks have dash parking facilities. What you have to do is just find the answer in your mind. We'll discuss it after reading the questions. Okay? The new apartment blocks have dash parking facilities. The next question is second one. Don't put too many things in the dash luggage space. The third one. The inspector was part of an dash mission to rescue the children. Fourth one. Don't dash Rohit just because he hasn't performed well this year. And the fifth one, my parents won't allow me to stay dash at my friend's house. So you have got 5 questions in your textbook and we'll find the answers. Now look at exercise A, children, in your textbook, and we'll look at those words and we'll find the answers for exercise B. The first question. The new apartment blocks have dash parking facilities. What might be the answer, children? Underground. The first one is the new apartment blocks have underground parking facilities. The new apartment blocks have underground parking facilities. So write the word underground, underground. It's one word. Okay. Underground is one word, so write it together, underground. Now let's go to the second question. Don't put too many things in the dash luggage space. Don't put too many things in the dash luggage space. So what is the answer, children? Don't put too many things in the overhead luggage space. Don't put too many things in the overhead luggage space. That is, when you take buses to travel, you can find above the seats you find some space, yes or no, so that you can keep your bags and all your belongings over there. So that space is overhead space, overhead luggage space. You can find in trains, you can find in buses and all those things. Shall we go to the next one? The inspector was part of an dash mission to rescue the children. The inspector was part of a dash mission to rescue the children. Undercover mission. That is, the inspector was part of a secret mission or undercover mission to rescue the children. Undercover, undercover, undercover. Undercover, undercover. It's one word, write it together. When you add prefixes, what becomes is two words become one word. Okay, that's how you make a new word. Shall we go to the fourth one? Don't dash Rohit just because he hasn't performed very well. Don't underestimate. Don't underestimate. 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 And the fifth one, my parents won't allow me to stay dash at my friend's house overnight. That is, your parents won't allow you to stay that one night during one night at your friend's house. So you can use the word overnight. Oh, the meaning of overnight is during one night. My parents won't allow me to stay overnight at my friend's house. Overnight, Overnight, overnight. Overnight. Under exercise B, we have few things to do. Read the following words. Did you find that? Under exercise B in page number 35 itself. Read the following words, and we have few set of words. So just read it. Okay, the first one is television, telephone, telegram. Television, telephone, telegram. In these words, what is common? Tele. Yes or no? T-E-L-E. Tele is common. We have tele in television, tele in telephone, and tele in telegram. Now let's look at the next set of words. Triangle, tricolor, tricycle. Triangle, tricolor, tricycle. In these words, what is common? Tri. Yes or no? Tri. T-R-I. Tri. Tri in triangle, tri in tricolor, and tri in tricycle. Actually, tele and tri are prefixes. We have added to another word and we have made a new word. So let's look at the meanings. The prefix tele means far off and tri means three. Oh, these are the meanings. That's why we added these prefixes. So tele means far off. That is, if you want to see or hear or whatever, the things which are far, we add this tele to another word and we make a new word. And try, when there is three things attached to it or anything it can be, and so for showing that we add the prefix try. And there is one more thing that I found very interesting. I would like to share it with you. The word prefix itself. Okay, prefix, it's actually two words, pre and fix. Pre is a prefix. Did you understand? No, I'll say it once again. In the word prefix, pre itself is a prefix. Isn't that interesting? Yes. Okay, now let's go to exercise C. It's in page number 34. It's in page number 36. Yes, page number 36. Here also we have match the following. Let's look at the heading, children. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. One has been done for you. Okay, you have to find the meanings for the words in column A. Now let's look at the question. You have column A and column B. Let's read the words in column A. These are the questions. First one, telescope. Second one, triangle. Third one, tricycle. Fourth one, telephone. Fifth one, tricolor. And sixth one, television. Okay, we have the prefixes tele and tri. Tele means far off. Tri means 3. Let's look at the meanings given on the right side. A vehicle with 3 wheels. B, having 3 colors. C, an electronic device used for communication. D, a 3-sided figure. E, an electronic device used for watching programs. And F, an instrument to view distant objects. And the first one is already done for you. The meaning of telescope is an instrument to view distant objects. Distant means far. Okay, an instrument to view far objects. For that we use telescope. Second one, triangle. Tri means 3. Triangle. Now find the meaning for the word triangle. Which is the answer, children? It's D. A 3-sided figure. Triangle is a 3-sided figure. You can write 2 over there. Triangle is a 3-sided figure. Now look at the third one. Tricycle. Tricycle. What is the meaning of tricycle? A vehicle with 3 wheels. A vehicle with 3 wheels. A vehicle with 3 wheels. You can write over there number 3. Now let's go to the fourth one. Telephone. Telephone. What is the meaning of telephone? An electronic device used for communication. C is the answer. Telephone is an electronic device used for communication. Fourth one, C is the answer. You can write number 4 in column B. Telephone, an electronic device used for communication. And the fifth one, tricolor. Tricolor. What is the meaning of tricolor? Having 3 colors. Having 3 colors. Fifth one, B is the answer. And the last one, television. E is the answer. An electronic device used for watching programs. An electronic device used for watching programs. We'll check the answer, children. Once again, first one, telescope. It's already done. An instrument used to view distant objects. First one, F is the answer. Second one, triangle. A 3-sided figure. D is the answer. Third one, tricycle. A vehicle with 3 wheels. A is the answer. Fourth one, telephone. An electronic device used for communication. C is the answer. Fifth one, tricolor, having 3 colors. B is the answer. And the sixth one, television, an electronic device used for watching programs. E is the answer.